So now let's meet a new tool, the Polygon Tool. This is the Polygon Tool we're talking about in Adobe Animate. Lasso Tool, Polygon Tool, and Magic Wand Tool in Adobe Animate. We are given vector, object, and bitmap to select from. Okay, so what does the Polygon Tool do? Like till now we were able to select anywhere with free hand. So first of all, we have this background. Let us convert this into a graphic. So to create the graphic, what did I tell you in the previous video? Ctrl+B. I did Ctrl+B, and here you go. This became a graphic. Now we can select it from anywhere as we want. To unselect, click anywhere on empty space. The shortcut for the Polygon Tool is Shift+L. We pressed and I arrived at the Polygon Tool. Now look, I just made a single click here. And it has become active. Now I want to select the portion as much as I want. I will keep clicking here and there. This tool creates a selection with straight lines. So I will create as many points as I want to select the part. All I had to do was select this much. And now I have clicked last. But note, you'll still be in the Polygon Tool. How to get out of this? If you right-click or left-click anywhere, so nothing will happen. We'll also try Ctrl+Z. Then only your image will become as it was before. But you will not be able to exit the tool. Not even after pressing Escape. So the easy way to get out of this is, you press V, that is, come to the selection tool. Now you are free. If you want to go back to the Polygon Tool, create a graphic by pressing Ctrl+B. And press Shift+L. The Polygon Tool will become active again. Start the selection now. Wherever you click, points will be generated from there, the shape or part you want to select. Keep earning points accordingly, when the entire selection is made, so press V and C. The selection has been made by you. Now you can move it, delete it. You can bring it back with Ctrl+Z. Or you can change its color by going to the color window. That's all there is to the Polygon Tool. You can put it back in its place by doing Ctrl+Z. So see you in the next class. With the Magic Wand Tool. Although I would have liked to have used all three of these tools, I could have explained it in one video, but the Tool by Tool series is ongoing, so I keep every tool separate. See you in the next class. Bye and take care.